How long did you run your business where you actually thought about franchising it? What's the benefit of the franchise distribution model? And when you actually decide to franchise your business, were you nervous? For anyone that's out there, they have a successful business and now they're ready to franchise their business. What advice would you give them if they should franchise their business or not? All right, you want to introduce yourself, please?
Hey, yes, I'm Eric Landers, founder of Roberic Furniture Group, and we're a mobile on-site furniture repair business.
How long did you run your business where you actually thought about franchising it?
We thought about franchising it about 15 years ago. So we ran it for 15 years and then thought about it. And then a couple of years later, then we decided to make the move to franchise the business. And we decided to franchise the business because it's a low-cost startup. It's easily trained, easily understood, and easily replicatable. And that model can go anywhere. In most cities, this is not available. So we knew that it needed to be there. We get calls from manufacturers and retailers wanting us in their cities already. So they're ready for us to be in every city.
And help me understand, for someone that's out there, they might own a business and they're either thinking to have more corporate locations or the franchise model. What's the benefit of the franchise distribution model?
The benefit of the franchise model is the business model is already made. The customer relations are already made. So all the trials that it takes to start your own business that you go through, those things are figured out. And it's basically the playbook. You follow this playbook, this business will work for you.
And when you actually decide to franchise your business, were you nervous?
Absolutely, because you wonder when you're running your own business, just running your business, you're thinking, I know this business is great, but will it work in other markets? But once we saw that it will, and the support that we got from the manufacturers and the retailers just needing this in other cities, man, that's when I knew we got to do it.
And the way to move fast is to franchise it.
Absolutely, because you can start this business and you can be up and running in 60 to 90 days with customers and service and making money.
Love it. So for anyone that's out there, they have a successful business and now they're ready to franchise their business. What advice would you give them if they should franchise their business or not?
If they should franchise their business, if it's a good business model and you know that that business can run without you being there, that you would be able to show somebody this business model and they just get into your role and do it, and it's replicatable and easily understood. That's a really good point.
I love that. Thank you for your time. Appreciate it.
Thanks, guys.
Do you want to franchise your business and take it to a whole new level? Click the link below to schedule a free consultation today.